The trailer hitch cover on your 2015-2020 Cadillac Escalade protects the hitch receiver from debris and enhances the vehicle's appearance. Removing it is a simple DIY task. First, locate the cover centered below the license plate on the rear bumper. You'll typically need a Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket, or a Torx T25 driver depending on your Escalade's model year and trim level. Park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and wear gloves for safety. Then, remove the 2 to 4 securing screws holding the cover in place. Gently pry the cover off, as it may have clips or adhesive. Inspect the area for damage or corrosion and clean if necessary. This process should take only 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure you have the correct tools to avoid stripping the screws. Using the wrong size screwdriver can damage the screw heads. If screws are frozen due to corrosion, apply WD-40 to loosen them before attempting removal. Be gentle when prying to avoid scratching the bumper. Use a plastic pry tool if possible. Replacement covers are readily available online for $20-50. Check sites like Amazon or GM Parts Direct. Many owners remove the covers for permanent hitch installations or customization to streamline their setup. Trends indicate a rise in smart hitch covers with app-controlled locking mechanisms in the future. Consider eco-friendly, biodegradable options that align with sustainability goals. Regularly inspect the hitch area for rust, particularly in areas with salty climates, as corrosion is a common issue. When reinstalling, don't over-tighten the screws. A torque specification of around 20 feet-pounds is generally sufficient. If a screw does get stripped, replacement is straightforward, but prevention is key.